In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and apply text style in Canva. If you want your design to look clean, consistent, and professional, copying text style is one of the easiest tools to use in Canva. Instead of manually adjusting the font, size, color, spacing, and other formatting settings one by one, you can quickly transfer the exact same look from one text box to another. This saves time and helps keep everything visually uniform across your design. To get started, open your Canva design and find the text that already has the style you want to reuse. This should be the text box with the formatting you like, whether that means the perfect font, the right size, a specific color, or custom spacing. Click on that text so Canva knows this is the style you want to copy. It's important to select the correct text first, because Canva will use that exact formatting as the source. Once that text is selected, go to the toolbar and click the Copy Style option. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts and you're on Windows, you can also press Ctrl, Alt, and C at the same time. This tells Canva to capture the full styling of the selected text. In most cases, that includes the font size, color, spacing, and other formatting details that affect how the text appears. After copying the style, click on the text you want to update. This should be the text box that you want to match to the original. As soon as you apply the copied style, Canva will transfer the formatting, so the second text looks like the first one. This is especially useful when you're working on titles, subtitles, section headers, or any repeated text elements that need a consistent appearance. One helpful thing to remember is that this feature copies the style, not the words themselves. So your content stays the same, but the visual formatting changes to match the source text. That makes it a fast and reliable way to improve the overall design without retyping or manually editing every setting. If you have more text boxes that need the same formatting, simply repeat the process. Go back to the styled text, copy the style again, and apply it to the next text box. You can keep doing this throughout your design whenever you need to create a polished, unified look. And that's how to copy and apply text style in Canva quickly and efficiently.